Doll, please.
Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I am joined by the 3 LOL OMG boys that are out so far. We have Rocker Boy, Tough Guy, Tough Dude, I think it's Tough Guy, and Cool Lev. In my mission to collect all of the LOL OMG guys, we will be unboxing Prince B. Before we jump right in, let's take a look at his box. It is a clear window, which Cool Lev and the others have all been hidden, but this guy you can see front and center. It says 20 surprises, let's kick it. Prince B. On the side, hey bro. And in the back, 20 surprises. We have this really cool artwork. And on this side, Prince B. We can open the top. Hopefully this is how he comes out. So here we have him on the inside box. It's pretty cool. It has some speakers, headphones, like a music trophy, a bunch of sneakers on the back, basketball on the bottom. You can see he's like one leg in, one leg out, and you can see he has one of his garment bags hanging here. There's a little push tab here, which I'm assuming we will use this to open. And then inside you can see his other stuff. I will say I like the other version of the packaging a little bit better. On the bottom down here we have a little golden brush, the LOL OMG. He has 3 little garment bags. He doesn't come with one of those little like round things that the other people came with. Inside the first one, oh, his little earrings. So we have his necklace and 2 little diamond earrings. Inside the second bag is... I really thought there was going to be nothing in here for a second. He has a very fancy little golden watch. And in the third one, this feels like glasses. Here we go. His cool sunnies. They're pretty nice. They have like a little gold sparkle to them. So that's what came in these 3 boxes. I liked the round container that held the accessories for the other ones. Next, I'm going to take this hanger off the top and see if we can pull it out. Should we open this after? Let's open this after. He has a little card inside that says, keep your head high and your kicks fly. Don't stress, just chill. Prince B. And on the back, greetings from California. And there's a Supersonics live concert ticket in there, like a little basketball court. He is a Gemini. Your future is as bright as your bling. May 21st through June 20th. Here is his stand. It is a nice sparkly black. It says OMG on there. Has the little studs around the outside. Okay, I think that's everything that was inside the box except for our boy, so let's cut him out. Okay, I will say he was one of the easiest ones to get out of the box as far as the plastic and the little ties. It wasn't too difficult, but here he is. I really love his face. He has brown eyes, which I'm pretty sure all the other boys so far have had blue eyes, so it's nice to see a different color. He has some cool eyebrows, some cuts in the side. He has 1, 2, 3 lines on both sides. He didn't have a tag holding his head in, which is very nice. His hair is of course gel, but not too much, and I kind of don't want to touch it a lot because I saw a lot of people post pictures of theirs and his hair kind of just like falls to the side. He has a pretty cool jacket on. It says LOL OMG with a B on it, and in the back it says OMG with like graffiti and the paint dripping down, some stripes on the side. I really love the gold and black. Oh my god, he has a freaking harness on underneath. That's iconic. So he has this really cool harness on and like a really cool black and gold shirt, some pants with gold around the knees, and then some boots that have like a little chain around the side. I like him a lot. His outfit is very, very nice. Let's open up his second outfit and see what's in here. Do you guys keep these garment bags? I saw people that keep these and I've just been ripping them open. So outfit number 2 comes on a gold hanger, and I think, okay, it's just a hoodie. I thought he would get pants with it too. It's just a hoodie, a sleeveless hoodie, has a gold pocket in the front, a gold pull string. So here he is with his accessories on. I put on his glasses and then put in his little diamond earrings. He has his gold chains on and his watch, which was easy enough to put on because his hand popped off. Overall, I really, really like this guy. I love his outfit. I think they did an amazing job with him. I am very glad that they're continuing to do more guy dolls. But yeah, what do you guys think of Prince B? Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Stay tuned for fashion. Bye.